In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a header in Google Slides, a straightforward process that can really help in organizing your presentation and giving it a more professional look. Whether you're preparing for a business meeting, a school project, or anything in between, having headers can significantly improve the flow of your presentation by better guiding your audience through your content. Let's walk through the steps together. First, you'll want to open your Google Slides presentation. Once your presentation is up on the screen, navigate to the specific slide where you intend to insert the header. It's important to choose the right slide where the header will make the most impact, particularly if it's your introductory slide or a section divider. Once you've chosen your slide, head over to the top menu and click on the Insert tab. A drop-down menu will appear, and from there select Text Box. This feature is versatile and will allow you to directly add and customize textual elements anywhere on your slide. With the text box option selected, you'll now draw the text box itself. To do this, click and drag your mouse on the slide to create a text box. You can adjust its size and position according to where you'd like the header to be. It's generally a good idea to place it at the top where headers typically go, but feel free to adjust as necessary to suit your design preferences or constraints. Now that your text box is in place, it's time to enter your header text. Simply click inside the text box and start typing. This is your chance to clearly convey key information to your audience. So try to keep it concise and relevant while still capturing the essence of what you wish to share. Once you've input your header text, the next step is all about personalization. Use the formatting options available in the toolbar above to customize the appearance of your text. Here you can change fonts, adjust sizes, experiment with colors, and set alignments to ensure everything looks just right. Don't be afraid to play around with these options until your header reflects the style and tone of your entire presentation. If you find that this header adds value and you want it to appear on all slides for consistency, you have an efficient option available. Use the Theme Builder feature to apply this header to your master layout, which will automatically update most or all of the slides with the new header design, saving you time and effort, especially in larger presentations. And that wraps up our guide on adding headers in Google Slides. Thank you for joining me today, and by now you should be equipped to enhance your presentations with professional and eye-catching headers. Happy presenting?